Hi guys, today I am gonna play Roblox again. My account kind of changed, but yeah, I'm just gonna log out this account. I skip and log out anyway. That's where I'm going for. Sign in. I've actually sign in. The account 2017. So yeah, I'm not gonna play M2 because I'm gonna try to graph. So yeah, what are we gonna play, guys? Sorry for the pause, guys. It's just because of someone, or yeah. You want to play something like Yard Tower. Wait lang guys, nawalat lang ko. Maniwala ko sa dog. Guys, I'm inside. There. I can't go. Everything is Japanese in this game. So if you play like Roblox, can you get friendly or something? Because people that are swords, they can kill you. Or maybe not, I don't remember. Yeah, I'm going up here. Sorry guys. Just because I'm are you down there or up there? I don't really know, guys. Because association, guys, this everyone's right here, so yeah, right. That's okay. Before it's okay. There's kind of so that you can see it. I'm gonna go there. I just kind of hate people that do that. My family should be nice. Please cheer up my family because they're hardworking. Someone else, like YouTuber or any YouTuber like me. To cheer me up. I like this one. You guys don't know how to do this, you just do this. I'm kind of a pro, but I'm not. So I was kind of a pro to a long time ago, but now I'm not. I believe it's right here. Where is it? Oh, here. Got it. This one. That was ghost blocks. If you don't know ghost blocks, then if you don't know what ghost blocks is this actually say happy birthday to me in the comments because I was 6 a long time ago. When I started video, I was like 6 years old. Well, now I'm 7. My birthday was a long time ago, but can you guys just see? So I didn't post any videos on my birthday. It's just because I was too busy playing with my friends, but it was my birthday, so yeah. Yun mga G-Account 2017. Please don't tag in my account because no skin, no password. I am not gonna tell any of you guys. Something like simple. My account is very the password of my account is simple. So yep. It's like 3 years ago. The name of oh, oops, sorry guys. Okay. I do not like playing anything else. Oh my god, I'm checking out someone. He's sleeping, guys. Someone's sleeping. Not where I play. Is he up here? Wait. If you don't know who Zoe is, he's actually my sister. Kind of log up to the account, so yeah, there's account.
Sa Pinoy Christmas Carol na Noche Buena, ano ang minuto ng ating?
Let's play this game. I hope I still have the game, but if I don't, I'm so sorry because I don't remember the name of the song. This blue. Where's it? Oh! Ay! It's just because of someone. Guys, let's play this game named Chicken Jap, even though I played this game. I don't. What's leaking? What? Oh my god.